Where?
Red Street.
Yeah, Walking Street, Walking Street, yes. But only Friday and Saturday I go. So many water now. So noisy.
Yes.
Okay, we sit.
When I come inside the supermarket,
Ага.
I go find water, and I try to ask someone to give me 10 bottles, but before that I go to take card.
Ага.
And near the cashier I see cards and 4 boxes inside. I look, oh, it's my water. I take this card. I ask, is it yours or no? The people before me in the line, they tell me no, it's not now. It's like a miracle. I come to buy water, and water right here near the cashier. So it was very fast.
Yes, good. Because you say to me need half hour, but
No,
so fast.
How far to come here from my park?
Now we already in the perimeter road, and I won't pick up my passport with visa, because soon I need to go to China, Hong Kong, China, and I walk with Georgi. We walk to the Omega to take passport, and also I will show to you bars in perimeter road. Japanese restaurant. Massage also here. Chiropractic. I know you before you asking. In Market Mall have, yes? And now we're already here.
Maybe different.
Yeah, maybe different. All souvenirs. So many souvenirs. Water also. And who know, this building is before hotel. I will show to you. Maybe for renovation. Yes, it's for renovation. They prepare for renovation. Take a look. Popular hotel before. This is Omega. This, take a look. Omega moving here. Where we are moving? Do you know this place? I think it's back side of the Walking Street near McDonald's. McDonald's.
You see, you have QR code.
QR code, yes. Astra Park. Yes, it's back side of Walking Street. I have already map. You can scan. Same like. Yeah, it's back side of. I know this place. I know. It's okay. Can park in Mitchell Avenue. Here tricycle driver and have parking space. Yeah, it's okay. Not problem. For me important if have parking. Okay, I will take passport. I already bring passport. They said next year only move to Mitchell Avenue. And they said it's okay for you in this place, a new place. I said yeah, it's okay. If parking have, for me it's no problem. Here or Mitchell Avenue. Okay, we will go to the Perimeter Road and show to you bars and Perimeter Road. Interesting helmet. Helmet интересный. Омега. Coffee Plus. Coffee Plus look like in China, I know, if big plus like this is like a drugstore, look like drugstore. Margarita station. Inside have security guard work. He worked before in the Tiger Hotel. I long time before stay in Tiger Hotel. It's good security guard. Sometimes he clean my motor. If I park motor, he clean. He's good guy. Georgi, where you playing billiard? Which bar? Two bars have a billiard, yes? Yes.
Leon,
Yes, Leon.
my friend in Tasmania watches you all the time.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah. Hey, Peter, we'll say hello to Wally. Can you do that?
Okay,
You get a kick out of it.
no, we can together.
Oh, I see. Okay, say hello to Wally from Tasmania.
Thank you. From Tasmania.
Yeah.
I
You
feel
watch you all the way.
Thank you very much.
I'm telling
Thank
you,
you.
there's the next spot, right?
Yes,
Tell
yes.
him to watch.
Okay, thank you very much.
I did it with Georgie the other week. I was playing down in Nico.
Yeah. Thank you. So good. It's also bar. Thunderbirds, Candy Bar. So you play in two bars, Candy Bar,
This
Thunderbird.
and black satin.
Black Satin also. Black Satin Bar. ATM also have. Hi. Thank you.
Black satin.
Yeah. So it's good bar.
For me, no.
Not? Why? Many light or what? What happened?
Noisy.
Noisy.
Yes.
Georgi, bar is bar. It's always noisy.
It's not for playing billiard. It's not for this. If you see anywhere in the tournaments, play pool and music everywhere. It's nowhere.
I think for you better playing billiard in the not in the bar. If you play in the bar,
Yes.
in the bar always noisy. Two bars also. Woman height.
This bar, perimeter road, yes.
Open real bar. Girls won't sleep. They sleep in the table.
Sleep with the customers.
No, in the table outside. I know they don't want video.
On the table with the customers.
I don't know. Boomerang Hotel. Oh, it's new. Sarah Cleaners. I think popular here. They have car with delivery, motorcycle also. Take a look. The members 20% off. Google Play App Store also. So it's good. Good service. Good. We have delivery also service. Nice. In front of a Boomerang Hotel. It's Boomerang Hotel near Bars and Perimeter Road. And someone built apartment. Fast. I think after New Year holidays maybe they already finish. I will ask guys. Hi, excuse me, this is apartment or hotel? Apartment, you built apartment or hotel? Apartment, yes? Ah, good. Thank you. They said apartment. That is good place, Georgi. If maybe new apartment, you can stay here. New.
But I stay there.
So you like? Okay, let's go to your hotel.
Because I fixed everything what was not good. Now it's good.
Ah, now already good.
Yes, I make my room suitable for you.
Okay, let's go. Let's go to your place. So your hotel already better now.
Yes.
We going to Georgi apartment. Hotel. Hotel name Good Day. Parking have. Cat here. So many cats here. Right. I will check now. Red doors open and Prime City. Prime City still closed, under renovation. Red Doors Garden View Hotel also closed. Maybe also renovation. I will show to you now Georgi room. And he said he liking this place, he want to stay. So we're going to Georgia room. Oh, together with you. Second floor. Smoking area also have. Someone sitting outside in balcony. It's good, smoking area separate. In Georgi apartment right now, and I will show to you how Georgi live. This is Georgi room. How many square meters?
Maybe 25.
About 25 square meters.
Yes, I think about 25.
Georgi working place. Oh, APC have. It's good. But what? So many times power off, switch off power.
Maybe 2 times in a month.
2 times a month don't have power.
But it doesn't help because internet I take from the building, and if no electricity, no internet. If I have my own,
Mhm.
If I have my own fiber optic, I can use an uninterruptible power supply and I have internet. But because I use internet from the building, they don't have UPS and no internet if no electricity.
Mhm. Oh, why so many vitamins here?
Because I still treatment it's for brain, magnesium, it's also
Omega.
omega-3, also magnesium,
So many magnesium.
also magnesium. Yes, it's because
Different magnesium.
Yes, this magnesium for muscles pain
Mhm.
to relax, and this magnesium L-threonate, it's for brain,
Mhm.
for to make my brain calm, because I have sensory overload, because after this what happened with me in January, any smell, any noise, or maybe visual effects like blinking LED lamps, they make me mad. But now I have, except this also for brain, I
Alpha.
have many for treatment, but the main is what doctors tell me is this too.
What is this?
And this it's for to recovery how to tell myelinization of neurons in the brain.
For brain
And
also.
this also for brain to remove fog in my brain. It helps me to feel more sustainable and calm down. So no more overload after noise environment or blinking. I feel much better after this. But I take this only 12 days, yes. 10, 18 days. 18 days I take.
That's why people
So-
see you in the if you're walking, so you cannot reply, cannot talk, cannot reply.
Now I feel better, but before it was very difficult. So I can walk on the street and my image was unclear. So I could not see sharp. It was like image like moving.
And you also use headset. That's why you cannot hear people. What if they say hi, Georgia?
So I cannot explain now how it was. Probably later I will explain. I want to make video and explain what.
So you want to make video, and you want to explain what happened with you during
Yes.
from January
Yes.
until
it's
now.
Until September. So because now I start to take this medicine, doctor prescribed me additional medicine. So now I feel much better. So
Okay.
But before 8 months I was not in good condition. So,
And this apartment is already better for you, yes?
yes, because I change many times apartments, because in everywhere, wherever I stay, I feel smell of something. Somewhere it was hydrogen sulfide, somewhere it was ammonia, somewhere it was just only anything else.
Even don't have smell, but you feel.
I don't know. It was smell or not. Maybe it was little bit, but because I have damage of my brain, I take these signals and amplify it, and I feel it's too much. It was overload for me. So even now, if I smell, for example, vanilla, if somewhere where I stay or I walk on the street and somewhere someone cooking pancakes with vanilla, I feel vanilla smell, and I feel it's so strong. It's really overload.
Mhm.
So, but much better, much better.
Thank you for watching, and wait. You can wait George video because he will make video, and he will explain what happened from January until now. Thank you for watching.